You're watching GRIME TV, I'm T Schmitt, and this is my bike check. Is that it? Got the GRIME GOAT 2011, got the SADIO booster fork, SADIO ROCKY, T Schmitt prototype stem. Got the wonka medicine man, GRIME Pro handlebar, animal EDWINs, GDNs. Got the SADIO seat with the grocery post, no clamp, wedge cell. Got the specialized tires, the compound of the HEMISPHERE, SADIO VAMPER, and the SADIO VIPER. I got the plastic pegs on the switch, the animal pegs on the regular. Got the animal metal seal pedals. BURRO mud flaps, second edition, coming out 420. Got the SADIO sprocket, the BALHOGS strip. Got the animal headset, SADIO hubs. I don't have any good chain. And that's about it.